Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a scenic drive along Florida's Highway A1A through the historic community of Butler Beach. This area offers a unique blend of natural beauty and significant history. Butler Beach is located on Anastasia Island, nestled between St. Augustine Beach to the north and Crescent Beach to the south. The community is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the Matanzas River to the west, providing picturesque coastal views along Highway A1A. In the early 1900s, Frank B. Butler, an African-American entrepreneur from St. Augustine's Lincolnville neighborhood, began purchasing oceanfront property on Anastasia Island. At that time, Florida's beaches were segregated, and African Americans were denied access to most coastal areas. In response, Butler developed this stretch of coastline into a resort area where African Americans could enjoy the beach freely. This made Butler Beach the only beach between Daytona Beach and American Beach, north of Jacksonville, where African Americans were allowed to enjoy the sand and the sea. Today, Butler Beach is a peaceful residential community known for its pristine white sand beaches and natural dunes. The area is home to the Frank B. Butler County Park, which offers public beach access, picnic areas, and a boardwalk leading to the ocean.